I thought I'd better bring my snowboard this time, right? In case. And I'm gonna try snowboard with my rig. Get these runs in. Gotta. See that red roof? Right above. Oh, now tomorrow I have karate training. Maybe day after, and then snowboard back down to my land because roads are being imprinted. Basically, after 20 minutes, you think you're gonna die. I come up with my skateboard, so you're good to go again, better than ever. So that you can see Donguri. Usually, this is where elevators and chairlifts and gondolas are for pussies. Oh man, just so funny, cracks me up. They're like, you know, like they go down, they take the chairlift up, they see you running again. Then you almost reach the chairlift 1 hour of elevation. Go again for like 10 minutes. And I try to... End of Kitagone, Highland. This is boarding with normal shoes. Last one on the slopes. And didn't use any elevator. It's nice, so I don't have to bring my boot. Ooh, who needs snowboard shoes, eh? Good job. Could go off here, but that's a little steep. Donguri. All this way up. All this fucking way. The snow is not sliding. So, there we go. That's my crazy thing for today.